So now we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT for social media post. So as I have told you earlier, try to try to have different chats for different purpose. So for example, let's say, I mean, you are having conversations with ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT can actually can recall or reread what's written in that conversation. So I would recommend you, to do not mix conversations, and to plan it in such a way that it's easy for ChatGPT to also understand, and for you also to understand. So let's say for social media we create a new chat and we tell ChatGPT this thing. So we can give this complete, we can simply copy this stuff. Let's say you manage a fitness brand on Instagram and you need a catchy caption, and you need a catchy caption for a workout routine. So you can ask ChatGPT, can you write an Instagram caption for a high intensity workout video? So so we can tell this thing to ChatGPT. I am more social media marketing marketing manager for a fitness brand. So so here I am giving the context, and then we can say, can you write an Instagram caption for a high intensity workout video with the video, so that we get the maximum maximum reach. So, see, now you got some response, right? Ready to sweat? Our high intensity workout will push your limits and ignite your passion, right? And you got one response. Let's say, I mean, you are looking for multiple responses, right? So what you can say to ChatGPT, can you please write five more responses that so that I can choose. So now we have given another response, right? To, we are asking ChatGPT to write five more responses. So see, now it has written five more responses for us. So now we can actually choose the one which we like. So let's say, for example, we like the fourth one. So we can say, ChatGPT, I liked the fourth one, but the hashtags used in it are not good. Can you suggest better hashtags? So now again we have given one more, prompt to uh, chat gpt, and so here the intention or the mindset is to get better output via it. Okay, so now it has worked on the hashtag part for, or so let's say if you're still not liking it, and what you can say is like, can you add more smileys to it? So when I said, can you add more smileys to it, so it will automatically understand, okay, I am asking for smileys to add it over here, because since this particular chat since this particular chat revolves around this social media thing only, so now it is getting more and more understanding of my requirement. So it is always recommended, you have proper chats for for different tasks that you want to do, so that chat gpt can also get the context more clearly. So now let's type this thing, can you add more smileys to it? So see, now it has added more smileys. So let's say if you don't like this one, you can just copy paste this and say, uh, remove this one. So again, so see, so now we got a very good caption for our Instagram post, and this is the approach or the mindset, and this is the way in which we can use chat gpt. So this is a very introductory course. You can check out our profile, you can find out in-depth courses on how you can use chat gpt for social media, or how you can use ChatGPT for blogging and other purposes. So this is a very basic course, and here the goal is, like, to tell you what ChatGPT can actually do.